Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the exact steps to verify your Freelancer.com account fast and hassle-free. Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Freelancer.com account is an important step to unlock the full potential of the platform and gain trust from clients. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make it quick and simple. First, log into your Freelancer.com account using your registered email and password. Once you're in, navigate to your profile icon on the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu in Settings. Find the Identity Verification section. This is where you'll start the verification process. Click on Start Verification and prepare to submit your documents. Freelancer.com typically requests government-issued identification, such as a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Make sure the documents are valid and clear for a smooth process. Upload the front and back images of your ID, ensuring all details are fully visible after submitting your ID. You might be asked for an additional selfie photo or a short video for facial recognition. This step protects your account and confirms it's really you. Next, provide a proof of address document like a utility bill or bank statement dated within the last 3 months. This confirms your current living address and adds credibility to your profile after uploading the necessary documents. Review all your submissions carefully to avoid mistakes. Once satisfied, submit your verification request. The Freelancer.com team will review your information, which can take from a few hours up to a couple of days. Depending on your locale and document quality, they might require additional information, so keep an eye on your email and dashboard notifications. While waiting, try to keep your profile complete and showcase your skills with portfolio pieces and clear descriptions. This increases your chances of being hired. Once your verification is approved, your profile will get a verified badge. Building trust with clients becomes much easier, and you can access more projects with fewer restrictions. Remember, a verified account signals professionalism and dedication to potential employers. Always follow the platform's guidelines and update your documents if needed to maintain your verified status. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful tutorials and tips.